A little girl with golden hair, running free with no despair. And I wonder who has brought her here, into this playful place, this playing space with sparkling grace. I wanna sing, sing, sing in 1,000 ways.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. By way of introduction, my name is Adam Flynn. This is Sarah Marasco. We are at number 7 Rose Avenue in Glen Waverley. This stunning home that is positioned in the very highly sought after Waverley school zone. Sarah, tell us a bit about this one.
Sitting on 63 squares, this beautiful home has 5 bedrooms with en-suites to everyone. The master bedroom is the biggest I've ever seen.
It's huge.
Dining, formal lounge, 2-car garage as well, and an amazing outdoor entertaining area.
Let's go have a look.
Crowley dolphins floating by, just imagine how they play in home. Let's go. All the force we keep living, step up and down the way. Invite the universe into this playful place, this playing space with sparkling grace. I wanna sing, sing, sing in 1,000 ways, in 1,000 ways.
And adjoining the absolutely incredible kitchen is a huge family room, adjoining gymnasium, all leading out to this amazing outdoor entertaining area.
Perfect for fun-filled days with family and friends.